There's Kevin. Christian's right there.
Inside handoff to Joey Capodonna. Number 54 for Auburn on the tackle. That's Patrick Bethune. It's going to be second down. Looks like about 10 yards for the Tomahawks. It's a pitch right to Joey Capodonna. Nice cutback run up the middle. It's going to be third down and short for the Tomahawks. Timeout on the play.
Coach Brian.
We're going to pitch left to Joey Capodonna. Play is strung out a little bit. The tackle by Matthew McConville. We're now going to have fourth down for the Tomahawks.
Punting team! Hurry up! Hurry up! Punting! Hurry out!
You die!
Come on, punting!
Ryan Berry, punt formation.
Down, pick up.
Oh, get it! No.
Hi.
Ryan and Jake, Patrick and Ryan.
Okay.